So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I was able to make these beautiful church flyer designs using AI. Now I use a very simple prompt to make these particular designs, and I'm going to drop it in the comment section below. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right, so the first thing you want to do is to go over to your ChatGPT. So what we use is ChatGPT. All of you are familiar with it. Now I already jotted out my prompt. Right, so I'm going to drop this prompt in the description below. So what I need to do is to just go ahead and copy it. Though I'm still going to read it as well, you understand what I did here. So I'll go ahead and copy that. So you must take your time to write your prompt out properly so that ChatGPT can understand what you want to design. You know, it is garbage in, garbage out. What you give to it is what it will give back at you. So we're going to go ahead and see. I said create a banner design for a church program. This should be a very attractive design. The name of the church is Living Grace Ministries, and the theme of the program is Power Night. The theme should be very bold. The date should be May 16, 2026. Venue is GRA, Benin City, Edo State. Right, time is 6 p.m. You use the uploaded image for this design. You can hear what I said. I said use the uploaded image, and I said just compose a logo. So I don't have logo. I asked ChatGPT to compose a logo. I'm going to go ahead and add image to this prompt. I want to add image to it. I'll go over to my gallery and search for any matured image that I can use. Any of my picture. All right, because on the prompt I already told ChatGPT that there will be an image attached to this prompt. So it's going to use the image, and I don't have logo for it. Then it's going to go ahead and just design its own logo for this particular flyer. All right, so once I click on it, you see that it's going to go ahead because the image is very big. It's about 2 MB. It's going to go ahead and load. Now once the image finish loading, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I cross check, then click on submit. Cross check to make sure that all your prompt is correct, then click on submit, and then ChatGPT is going to go ahead and start generating our image. So ChatGPT usually takes close to 15 to 30 seconds to generate. We're going to go ahead and pause this video. I'll come back later. You can see we're almost done. They're sketching it out. Now you can see, so here is what we have been able to, here is the output of what we designed. So I'm going to go ahead and just download this particular image file so that I can make it bold so we can see what is obtainable. Now I just want to know if graphic designer will still be able to get jobs, because ChatGPT is actually doing a very nice job here. ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. So I'm going to go ahead and just preview what we have designed so far. So as you can see, the prompt we gave to it. Now let me zoom this in. You can see May 16, that's the date. The venue is GRA, Benin City. It didn't make any mistake, and the time is 6 p.m. You can see the designs, the way he created this design, the background he used, the color combination. I did not ask him for all those things. All right, he just used maybe the shell because there's a golden chain on my neck. You can see Living Grace Ministry. He designed the logo all by itself. I didn't ask you for that logo. Okay, so he was able to design everything all by itself. Now you can see how powerful AI is and how far AI has gone to be able to design anything. So it is the prompting that is the problem. If you don't know how to do that, all right, so make sure you follow my channel. I teach how to use AI to design so many things here. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the question I want to ask is, do you believe that graphic designers will still be able to make some cash